Hello friends and welcome to Kitchen Storm. Today I am going to show you how to make this butter chicken restaurant style. First, the ingredients for marination of the chicken are 300 grams skinless boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt, 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour or gram flour, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, 1 inch piece ginger peeled, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and salt to taste. Butter for basting. For the curry, the ingredients are 1.5 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 5 green cardamom pods slightly crushed, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 heaped tablespoon grated ginger, 4 big cloves of chopped garlic, 2 green chillies slit lengthwise, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 4 tablespoon of tomato puree, 3/4 cup of fresh cream, I used Amul, 2 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon Kasoori methi or fenugreek leaves, a few saffron strands, salt to taste. Let's get started. First we will prepare the marinade. For this, mix the yogurt with the ground flour in a bowl and whisk it to get rid of any lumps to form a thick paste-like consistency. Meanwhile, add the ginger, garlic and green chilli in a wet grinder and blend to a smooth paste. Transfer the yogurt paste into a bigger vessel. Add the green chilli paste to this. Also now add all the spices, that is the chilli powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, ground cinnamon powder and salt. Stir this well. Now dip in the chicken pieces. Mix well, making sure to coat them in the thick marinade. Leave to marinate for a few hours or even overnight if you prefer. Soak wooden skewers in water so that they don't burn. When making kebabs or satés, you need to soak wooden skewers in warm water for at least 20 minutes to keep them from igniting right there on the grill. Preheat the grill on medium for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a vessel that you will be using to grill your kebabs and take the marinated chicken. Shake off the excess marinade and thread the chicken pieces onto the skewers. Keep the skewers in a dish so that you can collect the dripping butter from the base later. This will add flavor to the curry. Brush the kebab pieces with a little bit of butter before you put them in the oven. Cook under the grill for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn the skewers every 5 minutes and baste with melted butter until the juices run clear and they are cooked through and slightly charred around the edges. Now for the gravy. Heat a heavy bottom vessel and add the butter. Add the green cardamom, cinnamon stick and cloves. Fry for 30 seconds. Add the onions and saute for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat until they take on a light brown color. Add the slit green chillies and the grated ginger and the garlic. Fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding in the chaat flavor from the dish in which I cooked my chicken in. Don't worry, this will not give any burnt taste. You can check and taste the tangy buttery flavor yourself before adding it to the gravy. Fry this for a few minutes. Add the chilli powder and garam masala powder. Also add the tomato puree. Stir this well and cook for 5 to 6 minutes to get rid of the raw tomato taste. Now gradually add the fresh cream, stirring continuously to mix all the spices with the cream. Simmer and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, add half cup of water if the curry is too thick. Give it a mix. Add some salt. Now add the honey. Also add the fenugreek leaves. Now add the cooked chicken pieces. Add the saffron strands. Simmer the curry on a low heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the chicken release the spicy buttery flavor and absorb the tangy creamy flavor of the gravy. If you feel that you require more spiciness in your gravy, then add another teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now after 8 to 10 minutes, if you feel that you need a little more color to your gravy, then add about half teaspoon of red color. This is a completely optional step that you can skip. So there we have the most iconic Indian main course dish, which is a favorite among all foodies, butter chicken. It is creamy, it is spicy, it has chicken. What else does one wish for? The ultimate side dish to all your Indian breads. Put an end to your search for the perfect butter chicken recipe and make this right away. You will be longing for more. Do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing dishes. Comment with your feedback, like the video and enjoy.